What's up, everybody? Welcome to Legendary Box Breaks. We're doing a box of 2013 Momentum Football today. 10 packs, 10 hits. It's usually 5 autographs, 5 memorabilia cards. Box. Camera a little bit here. We're going to go ahead and do our randomizer. We get the names plugged in here. Mix them up a couple times, plug them in beside the teams, and have at it. I'll do a slow rundown so you can kind of see your team, and then I'll call out the person whenever a call is hit. Alright guys, that's the rundown. Camera up here. Look, everybody. Good luck, guys. Starting off, we have this prime. That's usually a good sign. Looks like a quarterback. Tyler Wilson, rookie threads, dual patch autograph. It's going to the Raiders. It's number 19 of 25, and that goes to Kenneth F. Start there, Kenneth. Tyler Wilson, rookie threads. 19 of 25. We'll be giving out autographs, memorabilia cards, and anything serial. Coming up next, we have got a Deion Jordan autograph for the Miami Dolphins. It's a rookie autograph, and that is number 185 of 399. That's Kenneth F2. On the roll, Kenneth. Go. Deion Jordan. Another autograph. Montre Moore, New York Giants. That goes to Jason W. It's a rookie card number 234 of 599. Okay. There you go. Jason. Next up. That's a rookie card autograph. Corey Fuller, Detroit Lions. That goes to Kenneth F. With number 448 of 599. Yep. Corey Fuller. Base. Denard Robinson, nice looking patch rookie with the Jacksonville Jaguars. That goes to Kenneth F. also, number 13 of 49. 13 of 49, Denard Robinson, 3-color patch. Good looking card. Probably going to be limited. Next up, for the Rams, Tavon Austin, dual jersey rookie. That goes to Zach D. 67 of 399. Tavon Austin, Zach D. And a numbered card for the Pittsburgh Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger, Jason W. That card is numbered 40 of 99. The gold parallel. Good, Jason. 4 packs left, guys. Next up is going to be a Mike Glennon upside jumbo jersey. It's a rookie jersey. Mike Glennon, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. That's going to Roy. Number 30 of 299. That's for Roy. Three to go, guys. There's a Landry Jones that looks as if it might be numbered. All that one off in a minute. Honey Badger, Teron Matthews, autograph rookie for the Cardinals. That goes to Kenneth F. That is number 410 of 599. Go. And the Landry Jones for the Steelers. It's a rookie, the silver parallel is number 46 of 49. That goes to Jason. Two to go, guys. The 41 of 99 coming up. Jeremy Maclin for the Eagles. There goes to Roy. It's 41 of 99 going to Roy. Jeremy Maclin, momentum material jersey. Last pack, boys and girls. Going to be a Robert Woods upside jumbo jersey rookie for the Bills. Going to Roy, number 174 of 299. There you go, Roy. Guys, thanks for joining us. Check back on the website later. We'll be putting up a new box for next week, and we will see you next time.